are very much welcome. Today we are going to cook a special stew. Follow me and let's cook it together. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, we have some pepper, we have some sweet pepper and fresh tomatoes. We have oil, we have curry, salt, we have vegetable, onions, you see onions. We have thyme. We have this to season our meat. So we have these tomatoes. I'm going to use this one to blend all the tomatoes without no water. I have some turkey here and gizzard. I have some gizzard here. I have some onion which I'm going to use to boil the meat, season the meat. And I have bell leaves. I have a garlic. I have some cow meat here, cow skin, and I have fish. I have tomato cube, and I'm going to use 2 Maggi, one for the stew, one for the meat. So let's get started. So wash your meat. Now add ingredients. Add bay leaves, thyme, garlic, add salt, our meat seasoner. Add your curry. Add onions. One Maggi. Add 1 pepper and cover. So you will allow it to boil for 5 minutes before adding water. Okay, wash the sweet pepper and tomatoes and the onions and our pepper. Blend the tomatoes. So you boil the tomatoes for 45 minutes. So add water. Our tomatoes is now okay, you can see. Our meat is okay too. Add oil. Add your onion. I have my thyme. It gives it a very good aroma. I had a little curry. I had my bay leaves. I will have my Maggi too. It gives it a very good aroma. Now add the tomato paste. Add a little meat water. So I will leave it for 10 minutes. Add boiled tomatoes. So cover. Now we want to fry our meat with hair fryer. I will put the fish. Turkey. So I'm putting it in air fryer. Now I'm adding my cow skin. I'm adding my vegetable onions. We are through with the meat, so we put it in the stew. So we are putting our meat in the stew. So I will cover for 2 minutes. We are through. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Watch out for the next video. Bye. God bless you.